Hello everyone, David here. Welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of juggling endless follow-ups and still watching potential customers slip away? It's frustrating when you know your products are great, but you just can't keep up with every lead or personalize every offer. That's exactly why I'm excited to share something new with you today. AISalesConverter. This smart, AI-powered platform automates customer journeys, sends personalized product recommendations, and handles follow-ups so you can focus on growing your business, not chasing leads. In this AISalesConverter review video, I'll cover what an AISalesConverter is, its key features, the pricing details, all the OTOs upgrades, the special bonus I'm offering, and even a quick demo so you can see it in action. Stick around to find out how this tool can help turn more of your visitors into paying customers without the late-night hustle. First, what does AISalesConverter actually do? AISalesConverter is an AI-powered all-in-one digital sales assistant. Instead of you manually sending generic emails, chasing leads, or setting up complex funnels, this platform's artificial intelligence handles the entire sales process from start to finish. It greets visitors the moment they land on your site, guides them toward the right products, answers their questions in real time, and even follows up later to turn them into buyers, all automatically. Now let me walk you through the standout features of AISalesConverter. Personalized customer journeys. AISalesConverter carefully observes each visitor's browsing habits, like which products they view, how long they stay on a page, and even what they add to their cart. With this data, it instantly adjusts what each person sees, from product recommendations to special offers, so every shopper feels like the store was built just for them. This tailored path keeps people engaged longer and naturally guides them toward a purchase. Automated email and follow-ups. The system creates and sends perfectly timed emails, from welcome messages to post-purchase follow-ups, while you stay hands-free. Because the timing and content match each customer's behavior, people stay connected with your brand and are far more likely to return and buy again. Real-time chat and interaction. A smart, customizable chatbot answers questions, recommends products, and resolves objections the moment they appear. This means visitors get instant help and feel confident to complete their orders without delays or confusion, which keeps conversions high. Insightful analytics and optimization. The intuitive dashboard tracks traffic patterns, sales trends, and campaign performance in real time. With these insights, you can quickly adjust offers or messaging so your marketing budget goes where it delivers the best returns. Plug-and-play simplicity. There's no need for technical skills. Just log in, choose your settings, and launch. This easy setup allows you to start running a professional sales system in minutes. To give you a clear picture of what it's like to use, let's dive into the real-time demonstration.
Hello everyone. Welcome to AISalesConverter. This tool helps users boost sales by delivering personalized product recommendations through an embeddable widget or shareable page. It simplifies the buying process, enhances customer engagement, and increases conversions effortlessly. So, after login, you will be redirected to the dashboard. Now, click on Campaigns and create a new campaign. Enter the campaign name and continue. Now, you can choose the campaign type that suits your needs. Whether you want to create a campaign for lead generation, for selling products and services, or to book qualified calls. I am creating this campaign to sell products and services, and continue further. You are just 4 steps away from completing your campaign. In step 1, add your product details like name, redirect URL, website URL, and a short description of your products. You can write the description manually, or you can generate a description with the help of AI. And if you don't like the description, you can also regenerate it again with the help of AI. Now, if you would like to show a testimonial at the end of the survey, you can enable that from here. Also, you can enable the option to provide discount coupon codes with the product links. So it will show the coupon code directly with the suggested product links. You can add multiple products in a single campaign. I have added a laptop as an example. Save and continue to the next step. In step 2, you will see AI-generated questions based on the product description that you entered in Step 1. Users will have to answer these questions to get product recommendations. Here you can regenerate the questions, or you can save and continue with the existing ones. Now in Step 3, you have to choose the widget theme, or page theme based on your need, or as you like. Here, you can easily customize the theme, like changing the theme color, font family, welcome message, button icon, avatar, and much more. You can also enable the opt-in form from here, and choose the autoresponder and list according to your need. This helps you build an email list of potential customers, allowing you to follow up with them later. Now, continue to the final Step 4. Here you can get the share link, and embed code. Copy the share link, and share it with your users to start the survey. On this page, user has to start the survey. Users have to answer these AI-generated questions, which you saved in the campaign creating process, to get the product recommendation. After answering all the questions, you will finally see the opt-in form that grabs the emails of the user. Users have to enter their name and email to continue. You can also choose to show the opt-in form at the start of the survey or hide it. This can be done on the Customize page while setting up the widget in AISalesConverter. AI will recommend the best product, based on the answers provided by the user. In this case, AI has recommended a laptop to me, based on the answers I have given. You can now purchase the product by clicking the button below, which will redirect you to the product page. Or you can copy and paste the embed code, to add it as a widget to your website. You can follow the instructions mentioned here, to use the embed code. And boom! You can view the widget live on your website. Let's click the widget to get started with the survey, and answer the questions. These are the questions that were generated with the help of AI while creating the campaign. Let's answer these questions. After answering all the questions, you will see the opt-in form that grabs the emails of the customers at the last step. AI will recommend the best product, based on the answers provided by the customers. As you can see, it has recommended a laptop to me, based on my answers, and which is exactly what I was looking for. A product purchase link will also be provided with the same. By clicking the link, customers will be redirected to the product page, and make the purchase. In this way, the AISalesConverter helps users to make their purchases without any hassles.
Alright, let's talk about the funnel, the pricing and upgrades included with AISalesConverter. There are 1 main front-end offer and 5 optional OTOs, so you can decide how far you want to take things depending on your goals. Let me walk you through each one so you know exactly what you're getting. First, we have the front-end offer, which is the AISalesConverter itself. For just a one-time payment of $17, you get access to the full platform with all its core features: AI-driven recommendations, automation, analytics, and more. It's a good deal, especially since there are no monthly fees. Plus, it comes with a 14-day money-back guarantee, so it's completely risk-free. Second, there's OTO 1, called Fast Track Unlimited. This upgrade removes all the limits, so you can create unlimited customer journeys, build unlimited email lists, and unlock pro features like done-for-you templates, automated list building, and 10 autoresponder integrations, and more. It also comes with quick start training and extra bonuses to help you scale faster. Third, we have OTO 2, Agency Income. This one is for anyone who wants to work with clients. You get a ready-made agency website, done for you, closing templates, team accounts, and even an automated client funnel. There's also a blueprint for creating a consistent 4 to 5-figure monthly income, along with a private community and weekly accountability calls. Next up, OTO 3 is the Reseller Profits Package. With this, you can sell AISalesConverter as your own product and keep 100% of the profits. Everything is done for you: sales pages, websites, demo videos, email swipes. So you can start reselling immediately without worrying about overhead or tech setups. Then we have OTO 4, Instant Traffic. This is all about getting eyes on your offers. You'll unlock an AI-powered lead finder, done for you outreach templates, traffic training, scroll-stopping content templates, and multi-channel engagement tools. It's designed to help you generate consistent traffic and keep your pipeline full of hot leads. And finally, OTO 5 is the ultimate done-for-you package. This one is really exciting because it gives you a preloaded digital store with over 350 ready-to-sell products. The store is fully self-hosted, SEO-ready, mobile-friendly, and comes with built-in payment integrations. You own it completely, and there are no recurring fees. Basically, you can launch a full digital business in minutes. Now, I want to take a few minutes to talk about something very special. When you grab this product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus package. These bonuses are carefully handpicked to help you in the areas that matter most: video creation, content generation, traffic growth, and SEO. I hope they can save you time, cut costs, and make your online journey smooth and successful. Let me walk you through some of the highlights, and I'll also show you short demos so you can see how powerful these tools really are. First up, AI Supreme, an all-in-one marketing powerhouse. With just a single login, you unlock more than 25 premium marketing apps, all under one roof. No installations, no complicated setup. For example, let's say you need a website. Inside AI Supreme, you'll find a Wix-style website builder that lets you design a professional site in minutes. Just pick a template, drag and drop, and your site is live. Or maybe you want to capture leads and sell offers. The funnel builder comes loaded with ready-made lead funnels, promo funnels, and even viral funnels you can customize instantly. Need content? The built-in AI writer does the heavy lifting. Just select your target language, choose the tone, give it a short description, and boom, you get ready-to-use content that sounds professional and natural. And my personal favorite, AI agents. Imagine having a team of professionals, writers, designers, coders, marketers, available 24/7, ready to complete any task you throw at them. That's exactly what AI Agents does. You can even create chatbots to engage with your audience automatically. Next is Goofy Shorts AI, perfect for short-form video creation. As you know, platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are exploding right now, and this tool makes it super easy to tap into that traffic. All you do is choose your format, whether it's TikTok, Instagram Reel, whiteboard explicable, or image-based video. Then Goofy Shorts AI creates your video in just a few clicks. Plus, you can generate AI-powered voiceovers directly inside the app, so you don't even need to record yourself. Once your video is ready, you can instantly share it across multiple platforms to maximize reach and engagement. Moving on, you'll also get Tubitraffic AI, which builds out a complete YouTube business for you. Here's how it works. Simply enter some keywords, and the software pulls up tons of relevant videos that are already proven to get views. From there, you can select the ones you want, and the tool automatically fills in video titles, descriptions, and tags optimized for traffic. You can customize the content however you like. And the best part? You can insert your own affiliate offers directly inside the videos. That means you're not just getting views, you're turning those views into commissions. Another incredible bonus is Super VA. Think of this as your ultimate virtual assistant powered by AI. Instead of spending hours writing content, designing graphics, or even coding, you can simply type in a prompt or use one of the pre-written ones, and Super VA will complete the task for you. It covers hundreds of marketing tasks with zero restrictions and zero setup. It's like hiring a full-time assistant team, but without the massive cost. You'll also get News Broadcasting Sites Builder. This one is perfect if you want to create passive income streams. With just a few clicks, you can launch fully automated news sites in virtually any niche: sports, travel, gaming, affiliate marketing, you name it. The software designs a professional website, generates fresh content with relevant images, and even updates itself automatically every day. So while you're busy doing your things, your news site is quietly attracting visitors and generating income in the background. And here's a huge one. You'll also get a library of over 500 premium done-for-you courses with master resale rights. You can totally use them to learn, turn them into your own products, or even resell them to kickstart your online biz. Topics cover marketing, business growth, traffic, social media, and much more, giving you a ready-made catalog of digital assets to profit from. Imagine adding these courses to your own funnel or selling them directly for instant cash flow. It's like starting your business with products already done for you. And these are just the main bonuses I wanted to highlight. On top of these, you'll also unlock many more special tools that I haven't even had time to show here. To check out the full list and claim your bonuses, just click the bonus link in the description below. That wraps up our deep dive into AISalesConverter, and I have to say, what really stands out to me is how smartly it personalizes each customer's journey while automating all the heavy follow-ups. It's like having a full sales team working 24/7, which is a huge time saver and a serious boost for conversions. If you're looking for a tool that helps you engage visitors, recommend the right products, and close more sales without extra effort, this is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with a friend, and drop a comment below to let me know your thoughts or questions. And of course, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss future reviews and demos. And don't miss the handy bonuses I've lined up for you. Just check the review article link in the description to grab all the details and extra goodies. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.